Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install any application or games from Microsoft Store because of this error code that is 0x80070003. So if you're receiving this error, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to make a right click on date and time at the bottom right of the screen and then click on adjust date and time. Make sure set time zone automatically. If this is off, turn it on. Also set time automatically. If this is off, turn it on and then click on sync now. If you receive any error, click on sync now multiple times. Once done, go to time and language, language and region, and make sure your country is selected over here. Now you can check. Still not working. The next step is to type in wsreset in Windows search box. Click on wsreset run command. This will reopen Microsoft Store and then check. Still not working. Repair or reset store. Now for this, type in store Microsoft Store in Windows search box and then click on Microsoft, make a right click on Microsoft Store, go to app settings, scroll down. First of all, click on terminate and then click on repair. And once the repair is done, open store and then check. If that does not work, you can even reset. After the reset, you can open store and then check. Still not working. Go to this location. So open File Explorer, go to this PC, open C drive. Now open users folder. Now open your username folder. Now open AppData. If you don't see AppData at the top, click on view, select show, put a check on hidden items and then open AppData folder. Open the local folder, open the packages folder. Now scroll down, find Microsoft Windows Store folder. So here you can see Microsoft Windows Store underscore some alphanumeric character. Open this folder. Here you can see local cache folder, make a right click, delete it. And then you can relaunch store and then check. Still not working. Start these services. So type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted and then click on OK. Make a right click on background intelligent transfer service and then click on restart. Now find Microsoft Store install service and then make a double click on Microsoft Store install service, set this to automatic, apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK, make a right click and then click on restart. Now find Windows Update. Somewhere at the bottom you will see Windows Update, make a double click, set this to automatic, again apply, start if highlighted, click on OK, make a right click and then click on restart. Now you can check. Still not working. The next step is to run this PowerShell command. This command is provided in the video description. Copy this command, type in PowerShell in Windows search box, make a right click on Windows PowerShell. Make sure that you run Windows PowerShell as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now paste the command over here, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. This will install all the Windows default apps, and during this process you will see some errors in red color. So if you see errors like this in red color, just ignore it, let the process complete, and then once it is done you will see everything red. Then you can relaunch store and then check. Still not working. Run this command. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Run all the commands one by one. Now once done, now restart your PC. Restart is a must after this, and after the system restart you can check. Next is to switch to different network. So if you have any other network available, you can switch to different network and then check. If that does not work, you can use phone hotspot. Turn on the data on the phone, turn on the hotspot on your phone, and then you can connect to your phone network. Once you connect to your phone network, now you can check. Still not working. Try install the game or application from library. So open Microsoft Store on your computer and then you can go to downloads. Now if you see your application or game in downloads, you can try to install it from here. You will see the button to install. You can install it from here. If you don't find it there, you can go to library, and if you are able to see your game or application over here, try to install it from here and then check. Still not working. In that case, you can go to downloads over here, and at the top right here you can see check for update. Click on check for update. And if you see update all option over here, click on update all, update everything, and then you can check. Next step is to uninstall and reinstall Microsoft Store. So type in PowerShell in Windows search box. Make a right click on Windows PowerShell. Make sure that you run PowerShell as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Copy the first command. All these commands are provided in the video description. Paste it over here. Hit the enter key. This will uninstall Microsoft Store from your computer. Once done, copy the second command. Paste it on the same window. Hit the enter key. This will reinstall Store on your computer, and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to run this command. So type in cmd in Windows search box. Make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. This process will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, then copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your PC. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working. Run inet cpl.cpl command. So type in inet cpl.cpl, click on it, and then go to advanced tab. Scroll down, make sure that use TLS 1.0, use TLS 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, all four are checked, and then hit apply. Apply is important. Click on OK, and then you can relaunch store and then check. Next step is to update Windows. So go to Windows Update or Update in Security. Click on check for update. Once all the updates are installed over here, then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working. The next step is to update Windows. And sorry, if trying to install any games, use Xbox app to install. So Xbox app is pre-installed in computer. If not installed, you can go to this link. The link is provided in the video description. You can open this link in a browser, and then you can click on download the app, and then you can run the exe file to install Xbox app on your computer. Once the Xbox app is installed, you can launch Xbox app, and then you have to log in with same account on Xbox app and with same account on Microsoft Store. So go to Microsoft Store, and then make sure that you log in with the right account which has the game or which has the game pass. So select the right account which has the game and enter your PIN and password over here, and then log in with same account on Xbox app. So you can click on sign in, and then you can log in. You have to select the same account which you've selected in Microsoft Store. You can search the game from here and then try to install the game from Xbox app. Still not working. Run gaming services repair tool. For this, you can go to Xbox app, click on your profile icon, go to support option, click on gaming services repair tool, click on start repairing, click on yes to allow, and let the repair complete. This will take some time. Once the repair is done, now you can check. You can even run gaming services repair tool from the website. So you can go to Microsoft website. You can search for gaming services repair tool, go to Xbox Microsoft website. On this website, scroll down, click on download the downloadable version, and then click on download the gaming services repair tool for PC, and then you can run this exe file. Click on yes to allow and let the repair complete. Once the repair is complete, you will see completed successfully over here. Once this is done, you can try to install the game and then check. Next step is to install Xbox Identity Provider. Now you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. The link is provided in the video description. Click on View Install, open Microsoft Store. And if not installed, you will see install option, get option, or get install or update option. In my case, it is already installed, and then you can check. Still not working. Uninstall gaming services. Copy the first command. The command is provided in the video description. Type in PowerShell in Windows search box. Make a right click on Windows PowerShell. Make sure that you run PowerShell as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Paste the command over here. Hit the enter key. This will uninstall gaming services from your computer. Once done, copy the second command. Paste it on the same window. Hit the enter key. This will open store. You click on install or get option to install gaming services. Make sure gaming services is installed 100%. Once this is complete, you can check. If you face any trouble installing gaming services, in that case, you can restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can run PowerShell as an administrator and then run the first and the second command once again and install gaming services and then check. Still not working. Start these services. Now for this, you can type in services in Windows search box. Click on services. Find IP helper in the list. Make a double click on IP helper. Set this to automatic. Click on apply. Click on start if highlighted. Then click on OK. Find Xbox services, do the same thing, make a double click on each Xbox services, set this to automatic, apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Again, automatic, apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Again, automatic, apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Again, automatic, apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Find Windows Update, make a double click, again set this to automatic, apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Find gaming services, make sure gaming services are running. If not running, make a right click, click on start or restart. Do the same thing with the second gaming services, make a right click and then click on start or restart. Again, find Microsoft Store install service and then make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Now you can check. Still not working. Use open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to advanced option, scroll down, go to recovery option. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take a long time. It will take some time. Once done, restart your computer and then check. Next is to use media creation tool. Now for this, Windows 11 users, I'm showing for Windows 11 users. Scroll down, here you can see media creation tool, click on download now, and then you can run this exe file. Run this exe file and then click on accept over here. By default, Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next, select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop, click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish. Let this close automatically. Go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept. And here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So make sure this is checked, hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then check. Now, if nothing is working, you can reset Windows 11. When you reset Windows, create a backup first, as you will create a backup first because you will lose all the data and application installed in your computer. So create a backup. To reset Windows 11, you can go to Windows Update, go to Advanced option, go to Recovery option. Here you can see reset this PC, reset PC. And here you can see choose an option, keep my files, will remove application and settings, but it will keep your personal files. Remove everything will remove all your personal files, application and settings. So you can select the option which you want and then follow the on-screen instruction. You can go for cloud or local reinstall. You have to set up, you have to reset your computer, and after the reset, set up your computer. You have to start everything from scratch, and then you can try to open Microsoft Store or Xbox app and then check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to fix this error code. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.